about plant tissues and their functions, and explain the different types of tissues found in plants and how they help in the growth, support, protection, and transport of nutrients. So it explains about plant tissues and their organization and function. It shows how to develop sa plant tissues from meristem to specialized tissues. So ang three main tissue system which are dermal, ground, and vascular tissues because it is important for protection, support o pagtransport sa water and nutrients sa tanom. So overall, this help us kung giunsa pag-work together ang plant tissues for the growth, development, o pag-survival sa plants.
Good day, sir. I am Jonathan Olasion Gook, and we are going to report our research article titled that Unfolding Growth, How Plant Tissues Develop, Differentiate, and Sustain Life. Plant development is a dynamic and highly organized process that transforms a single cell into a complex organisms made up of specialized tissues. In studying plant development, tissue differentiation, and function, it is important to understand how plant cell grows, mature, and take on specific roles that support overall plant life. Through differentiation, cells develop into tissues that protect the plants, transport nutrients, provide supports, and perform photosynthesis. Understanding the tissues and how they work together helps us appreciate how plants grow, adapt, and survive in a diverse environment. So the importance of plant development and differentiation, it is basically set up why we study plants. So the first one is its complexity because it shows how one cell becomes a whole complex organisms, and the second is its function. Because it highlights that specialized tissues like those for support, transport, or photosynthesis that are necessary for life in a plant.
When a seed starts to grow, the seeds absorb water when make up the embryo. The roots and shoots begin to form, helping young plants start in early life. Germination. The seeds absorb water, imitating in embryonic growth. Meristematic tissues responsible for new growth, and early vascular tissues begins forming the essential roots and shoots required for early life.
The xylem is the crucial part of plant's vascular system, responsible for transporting water and minerals from the roots to the rest of the plants. Here's a detailed explanation. Role of xylem. Water transport. Xylem especially moves water absorbed by the roots up to the stem, leaves, and other parts of the plants. Mineral transport. Along water, it transports essential minerals and nutrients absorbed from the soil. Structural support. Provides structural support to the plants due to its rigid cells walls.
Number 5. Flowering and pollination. Reproductive tissues forms flowers. Pollination occurs when the pollen reaches the stigma, which is the necessary precursor to fertilization. Number 6. Fruit and seed formation. Following fertilization, seeds develop within fruits. Specialized tissues within the ovary facilitate successful seed development, and the resulting fruits structure aids in protection and dispersal.
Seed dispersal. Seeds are spread via winds, animals, cold water, or mechanical means, allowing the cycle to begin in a new location. 1. Ang pagsabwag sa mga binhi mao ang pagproseso din ang mga liso ilabay palayo sa ilang ginikanan nga tanom nga pinaagi sa hangin, mananap og tubig. Ang nagbuwag-buwag nga mga liso mo turok ug motubo sa bago nga lugar, sa laing lugar, nga magtugot nga magpadayon sa ilang kinabuhi sa tanom.
Next is conclusion. Plant tissue difference play a vital role in every stage in plant's life, from germination to maturity. Specialized tissue work together to protect the plant, ensure proper transport of nutrients, support growth and the environment, and successfully reproduce. Understanding tissue development provides a deeper appreciation of plant structure and highlights the remarkable ways plants maintain life on Earth. Here's an explanation. Plant tissue difference is very important sa life sa plant, from germination until maturity. Lain-laing tissue sa adunay specific function. Some tissue protect the plant, other help sa transport sa water or nutrients. Ug naapod para sa support sa growth, tungod ani makasurvive ang plant, maka-adapt sa environment, ug maka-reproduce. By understanding plant tissue, mas masabtan nato unsaon pag-work ang structure sa plant ug nganong importante sila sa life on